What's up guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick and easy mod to install. The mod only costs $30 from cartrimhome. It's one of my favorites so far. Now what does this mod do? Well, let's go ahead and check it out. This is my remote. This is a TRD Off-Road Premium. I'm going to go ahead and press the unlock button. And as you guys can see, the windows roll all the way down, including the sunroof. So it's real nice to be able to access all my goods during camp or anytime I just want to air out the vehicle on a warm sunny day. The car does have the ability to do this, but it's just missing the module. So we're able to purchase this from cartrimhome and get the window roll down for only $30. And it only took me, again, 15 minutes to install. Now the only drawback here is it doesn't go back up as intended. You're supposed to be able to go back up just by pressing the lock button, but it doesn't work. I've searched the forums, I've tried to figure it out, and I just can't get it to go up. So I'm not exactly sure, but if anybody knows how to fix this, please drop a message below. I'd love to share it and get this fixed as well. But regardless, for a $30 mod to be able to roll down the window, it's really, really nice. And I wish, again, that it came with this. So continue on with the video. We'll go ahead and do the install. First thing you do is disconnect the battery. Alright, the next part is to locate the OBD2. This one's going to be underneath the steering wheel. This is going to be the brake pad, gas, and it's basically this right here. So we're going to be tapping into this. So these are the two harnesses from cartrimhome. This is pretty much where the plug and play modules are going to be located. I'm going to go ahead and pop out the OBD2. The key is to pinch the corners and then you're able to pull it out. So you just pinch these corners right here and they'll slide out. So what you're going to be doing is pretty much plugging a plug and play module. So this is going to plug into that, and then you're only going to be using one side here. You're going to be, I'm going to just go ahead and use this one right here. Make sure you hear it click. It's nice and tight now. Now you can use the pre-existing metal mount and plug this guy back in there. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and take this one apart. Okay, now what's going to happen here is I'm going to unplug this top plug. This is going to be for the harness to go in the middle. Click. Now this plugs back in place there. And then I'm going to use this leftover OB2 plug and I'm going to stick it back in there. Now that port's usable. There you go. This is exactly how you wire this together. It's very, very simple and easy to use. I'm gonna go ahead and test everything and make sure everything is good before I put everything back into place and clean this up. All right, there you have it, guys. Another quick and simple mod from cartrimhome. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in and watching this video with me. I want to go ahead and thank cartrimhome for sponsoring this video. And again, if anybody has a fix on how the window roll up should work, let me know. I'll be glad to share it with the community. I'm just going to go ahead and clean up and tuck in all the wires, make sure everything is nice and bolted down.